Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Do you feel it? The rhythm of nature, the pulse of life, the silent whispers carried by the wind. This is nature's frequency, and we are a part of it. From the rustling leaves to the waves that kiss the shore, nature moves in perfect balance. Science calls it vibration, energy, and frequency. But deep down, we have always felt it, this silent symphony connecting all life. Something shifts when we pause, when we listen, when we become one with nature. Our worries fade. Our minds are clear. Our hearts are open. We return to our natural state, peace, balance, harmony. Yet, in our rush to move forward, we have forgotten where we come from. The noise of the world drowns the gentle hum of nature. But the connection is never lost, just waiting for us to return. To realign with nature, we don't need to go far. Step outside. Feel the earth beneath your feet. Listen to the wind. Watch the sky. In these simple moments, we find our true frequency again. We are not separate from nature. We are nature. And when we remember this, we find our rhythm, our peace, our true selves.